Hey guys, welcome back to my another video, and today I know this one's different, but I like to make how-to videos and stuff because they give me a lot of views because I love them. Why not? So today I'm making some garlic bread. You can already see in the title. Yeah, I hope you guys love it, like it, share it, and everything. Comment down below and subscribe to my lovely channel. And yeah, so I'm gonna teach you like how to make garlic bread, but like really cheap. So the ingredients that you need is you need Italian seasoning. We can get a zoom up of that, assistant. We can also need garlic powder, and we need some garlic salt. So pretty much I've already mixed it, but you pretty much need about 5 pinches. So it's like about one ratio of this, one ratio of this, and another ratio. I don't know how the bakers say it, but whatever. And then you have your bread, and then you have your butter. Not sponsored by any of these. You will also have your little rack. If not, you can use your gigantic oven. Or if you want, probably use your microwave, but probably leave it in there for about like 5 minutes. We're not making garlic bread in the microwave, so we're just gonna make it in a mini toaster. Yes, yes, we are. So shocking. Okay, so what you need to do is get some butter, I don't care what kind of butter you use, but just any butter, or just don't use butter at all. Just go healthier. And you really just need a light seasoning, or you can use oil, but I truly don't care. It's your garlic bread. Anyways, you can make tons of these. Just try not to go over saltiness with the garlic salt, whatever that means. It just the garlic salt overpowers everything, so just be careful with that. Just add 5 pinches of that, and then 5 pinches of this, 5 pinches of this, like really tiny pinches, and then you have like 5 gigantic pinches right here. But I'm not sure. And then you mix it up into the little thing right here, and then and then I'm still, I wish I shown this a little earlier, but I haven't because the video hasn't started in the beginning because me and my assistant messed up. So yeah, just keep adding your butter till it's good and stuff. There's not gonna be no cuts, and you don't have to preheat nothing or whatever. It's fine. It's very easy, very quick. Just a few of these, and then obviously on my cutting board right here, which is not mine, but yeah. Oh shoot, we forgot one ingredient. Wait, the technical difficulties. And we're back. And what we have is some Kobe Jack cheese, and yeah, it's just shredded cheese. It's good and stuff. If you don't have to add cheese, you can probably just leave with the butter. But I like to add cheese with it. Pretty much, I don't care how you make it, but make sure you add these 3 ingredients. Yeah, but super easy. And so you probably want like about 3 finger of this. Yeah, probably make it a little mess, but it's good. And make sure you mix it around just evenly so where it can just be coated and stuff. And it doesn't matter what bread you use, it's probably all gonna taste the same. But I would suggest to get like a very cheap brand like Sara Lee. Probably Sara Lee's not. Is it? No, I don't think it. Yeah. And just obviously if you're a college student, probably making some garlic bread, every piece is like money. So, and probably you could probably find this all in your cabinet. And so yeah, just keep putting that on. And yeah, you just probably want a thick layer of cheese, or you can go very light. Just probably leave one on there. Just yeah, boom. Yeah, and then you still have a relative. Well, you probably make an entire dozen with one bag, probably. If if you use it properly. And so what you do with your spices, this is about step 14,000. You just mix it around and stuff. So just to mix everything evenly. Can we get a close up of that? Yeah. Oh yeah. Just to mix everything. And then you just want to sprinkle it everywhere. Yeah, like that. Can we get a super close up? Yeah. And then, you know, probably, yeah. I'm just, you know, just, this is all gonna make, oh my god, it's gonna be so good. You can already, like, sort of smell it. Can you smell the assistant? Yeah. Probably don't want to go too much. But make sure, you know, you get enough. And so, you know, you might have some relative, you probably can make about, you know, a few more with that. Bless you, assistant. Bless you. And yeah, and then so what you do is you put this right here, you know, make that good. And then when you're gonna preheat it in the, or when you're gonna put it in the oven, you want it around between, what to call it, 350 and 400 degrees, between there. So what would that be, like 375 probably? Leave it in there with your little cooker thing, your little toaster, for about, I guess about a good 10 minutes. If not, just look at it very often until like until these edges start turning golden brown, since these are already golden brown, but like in the inner. So yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you after these are done. About 10 minutes later. Okay, sweet. Okay, excuse me, assistant. Okay, here we go, guys. It's going in. Ooh. Okay, and then close this. Yeah, not sponsored, but you know, just trying out things. And yeah, oh my gosh, this thing's not connected all the way. Okay. Hashtag not sponsored. Hashtag get sponsored. Ding! Yeah, the finger didn't go off like I wanted to. This is like the 5th time. Okay, let's get it. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Ow! What's up? Ready? Cinematic music, go! Boom, guys. Okay, here, we're gonna go ahead and move this up to the table. So, yeah, here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm gonna put this down because I already burnt myself like 3 times. Oh! Oh! I cooked myself. But, okay. Here, go ahead and get up here. No. Just, no. Stop it. Oh, we forgot to finish off the video. Okay, now we have our things. Ah, freaking burn. Okay, so we have our garlic bread. Doesn't that look delicious? Look at that. Just look at it, bro. It's like I'm at steam. Yeah. So yeah, guys. You know, this is it. You know, this is the product that we get. You know, it's very good. Very good looking and stuff, so yeah. Oh my, yeah. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys love it. Like and share and everything. Comment down below and subscribe to my lovely channel and Al and her. And yeah, don't burn yourself. Don't mess with fire, kids, and it's all your fault. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. So peace out, guys. Peace. Where's that goddamn? I forgot it's hot. Oh god. Okay, here you go. Okay, let's do that again. Let's do that again. Cause I'm done. Okay.